today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Blinkit app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Blinkit app, or just click on search. Then here at Blinkit app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. Click here on Play Store. Then you search here for Blinkit app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.